Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook blue crab. First, we need to prepare our crabs properly for cooking. Always ensure your blue crabs are clean by rinsing them well under cool water. This removes any sediment or ocean debris. For safety, always use kitchen tongs when handling these lively creatures. If you are starting with live crabs, placing them in an ice bath for about 20 minutes before cleaning will make them dormant, which is a humane way to prepare them for the next step. Steaming is a fantastic way to cook blue crabs, preserving their natural sweetness and delicate texture. You will need a large pot with a steamer basket and about 1 inch of water at the bottom. Bring that water to a rolling boil, then carefully add your seasoned crabs. Many people enjoy adding a generous amount of crab seasoning, like Old Bay, or a splash of apple cider vinegar to the water for extra flavor. Cover the pot tightly and steam the crabs for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until their shells turn a bright, unmistakable orange color. Boiling your blue crabs is another great option, often resulting in incredibly tender meat. Start by filling a very large pot with enough water to fully submerge all your crabs. Bring this water to a strong, rolling boil, then add generous amounts of salt and your favorite liquid or powdered crab boil seasoning. Carefully place the crabs into the boiling water, making sure they are fully submerged. Once the water returns to a boil, cook them for about 10 to 15 minutes, until they are thoroughly cooked through and their shells are bright orange. The right seasoning truly elevates the flavor of your cooked blue crab. Many enthusiasts swear by a generous sprinkle of Old Bay seasoning, either in the cooking water or directly on the crabs after cooking. You can also infuse your steaming or boiling liquid with aromatics like smashed garlic cloves, fragrant bay leaves, or even some spicy whole hot peppers for an extra kick. For a bright finish, a fresh squeeze of lemon juice over the cooked crabs really brings out their natural sweetness, making every bite even more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.